Right guys, edge shed, and we're having a go at the bottom of the door because the door bottom has completely disintegrated, and that is probably one of the reasons why we're getting a lot of problems. Now we haven't got any door skin repair pals, but we have got a bit of that, so that's going in. So we've fabricated a bit of a mash, and what we're going to do next is we're going to try and drill that in to go under the original skin and get a bit of a flap, so we got something to put David's on there, P38. But yeah, so the doors are welded back together, slightly better fit. I mean, possibly, look, look, see how much that is? That's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Got rid of that dent out, but it's really hard to get in there for that. So yeah, so we're not going to be drilling too much more. We've got some movement on the bottoms of the door frames here because I've drilled them holes out. Now, obviously, the edge skin isn't factory, it is homemade. It's the bottom of a, so it's just about, I managed to bend it around one of the scatter traffic lead telegraph poles to try and get me shape. Nobody in their right mind would try and save that door. Not even the cleverest metal worker I've seen, right? But let me just say, I did it! I've got to just sort out this bit here, and I've just got to sort out this little bit here. Yeah, well, I'm sorry that my videos make you sick, but what I will say to you guys is they don't make you half as sick as they make me, because I'm here doing them. Absolutely. That's the English say, yeah, I have enough of this stuff. We're not even, well, how far are we in? Are we finished yet? Are we there yet or not?
Nearly.
Well, according to what I've seen, unless we all get the Michael Pfeiffer vaccine by July, we're all going to die anyway. So I'm hoping that we get the Michelle Pfeiffer. I'd love Michelle Pfeiffer as a vaccine. She could come and vaccine me anytime she wanted. The old girl. Anyway, so that side's done. Right, so why don't we do this? We say, what do we do? You spin me round, round, baby, right round. On a stupid little epoxy table, which is going to fall off any minute. But I put the hammer down. Michael Jackson, put the hammer down. I'm going to say, apart from the amount of crud that is in there, any ideas, guys? Come on, for all you metal workers. I know you should have put that in. You should have put the bend in before I did it. Couldn't though, could I? You know why? You know why I couldn't. You know damn well why I couldn't. Because I wouldn't have got it on, would I? On a rotten old door like this. So, gonna say, guys, considering I trained as a vet, I think I did half a good job at that. So, we haven't got a roller, bender, folder, fitsy type made up bits of welded tube together to do this. So I've got to go outside and try and work it around a telegraph pole or maybe a scaffold tube. So, I'll be back. If you hear loads of grunting and groaning, you'll know it's either working or it ain't working. Alright? So, bear with me. It's not as easy as you all imagine. But considering all the people have been saying, why are you bothering? What a load of rubbish, and it's a load of crap, and you know, you're wasting your time. You don't buy one. Well, I'm glad you guys have all got some money. I'm so happy for you that you're all so good and rich. I'm so pleased that all of you managed to make a fortune out of the classic car industry. You little pariahs. And you bought all your little bargains and you restored them all. And then the moment you restored them, you decided, oh my God, it's starting to rust again. I better get rid of that because otherwise I'll have to do it all again. well, there you go then. So that's my dilemma. I like the old cars. Got a love of that thing. And I don't mind. You know, of course I'll do them all again. Well, I ain't going to be around to do them again. Because if I just do this, then it's done, isn't it? And do you know what, guys? Every time I do something, it's something I haven't got to do tomorrow. So, on that cheerful note, because this door needs the most attention, the old door over. We'll have a look at that bottom edge. Now, we did something we really didn't want to do. And I'm going to tell you now what it was. And I know you're all going to tell me, yeah, you twat. And I'm going to say, you are right, I'm a twat. Because you know what I should have done? I should have repaired that bloody stupid bottom acting foot. What I did. What I did was got carried away on a moonlight shadow. But to be honest, guys, I don't mind. I don't know anything about car repairs. I'm supposedly a mechanic, and as such, my skills to do this are purely hand bodged. But what we're going to do is we're going to tidy this up, try to get back onto that original one there, because that one's okay. Right, a little bit broken there, but that's not worry about. I can sort that. But the front edge, as you can see, is gone. So front edge is going to be completely new. That's a little bit of a dilemma. Right, guys, I'm going to say it's not the neatest repair. It isn't the factory repair. And it ain't the sort of repair that all you purists are going to love. But you know what? It's my repair. So my door. Remember, we're going to get the old filler out. We're going to P38 her. So you're not going to see too much of this. You won't see it anyway. Let's go to your XK 60th and you have a look. That's the bit I'm not looking forward to, that front bit. So whether you see this as a video, I don't know, but you might do. If you don't, well, hey, at least I tried. It'll be for posterity's sake. All after I'm gone, and then you guys can see it, and then they can all go, oh, you know, what a mess. And then when the infamous car comes up for auction in the old bereavement sale, you guys can go, no, we don't want that, because it needs new doors. And I can have a dog good laugh. I'm up there on my cloud, can't I? Bit. Look, there you go. There's that corner. See that? I've got to make up a bit for the outside edge and skin that. Job's good. Blah blah blah. Kneecap pill. It's done. You impressed? Not at all, are you? No. Well, I said to you at the beginning of this, I'm not trying to do a factory restoration. I'm not doing any really restoration. I'm just tying it back together so I can actually drive it around the road once. If I drive it down the road once in my lifetime, that'll be more than enough. Simple reason is, I've got a Series 23 at Roadster, which I like better. Well, no, I'm sorry, I like it as well, obviously. That's why I'm here. I'm a firm believer in cars talk. And if they know you like one better than another, they will start playing up. And things will start going wrong, and they'll rebel. Well, I don't want any of my cars rebelling. I want them all to stay happy, like little happy soldiers. So, I'm doing this because I want to. And I think it'll be good. I'll tell you what, if it lasts for, say it lasts for 10 years, time you wax oil it, cover it in red oxide, wax oil it, it'll last 10 years, you watch. I'm going to do something that Jaguar never did. I'll put some drain holes in the bottom of the bleeding door. Because one thing's for bloody certain, the water's going to piss in. So, like and subscribe, guys. We'll see you in the shed.